How many ounces of this silver do you need to escape your 9 to 5? I'm going to explain this in 3 minutes. Something is shifting right now, and most people don't even feel it. They're walking around like everything is fine. The ground under their feet isn't moving, but it is. Quietly and faster than anyone realizes. If you've been sensing that your job, your income, your so-called stability isn't as solid as it looks, then you're right. There's pressure building in the system, and the people who understand how to protect themselves are about to look like geniuses. Today, I'm going to show you something every working person should have figured out years ago. How much of this silver do you need to escape the 9 to 5? Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. I put a link down below. Click that link, be the next winner on that list, and take home that silver. Let's get straight to the math. I'm holding 1 ounce rounds in front of you here. And here's the math that almost nobody ever does. If you strip down life to the basics, right? Food, rent, utilities, transportation, everything you pay for, you're talking roughly $30,000 to $36,000 a year for the average American. That's how much we're spending. That's survival mode. That's not luxury. That is survival mode. And let's look at a $50 spot price. Let's be very conservative. Yes, we've blown past that, but we could easily correct to 50. So let's look at a $50 spot price. That means you need about 600 to 700 of these ounces. So I'm going to have to get bigger. Let's get bigger. These are 100 here, 100 ounce bricks. Now you can see it. Let's go with the bigger ounces because we're going to need more. Here's 100, 200, 3, 4. While I talk, I'm just going to keep piling up the hundreds of ounces that we're going to be looking at for this. I mean, it seems crazy, right? Nobody realizes how small these 1 ounce silver rounds are until you get these large bricks. Now, you don't need a millionaire for this math, for this plan. You don't need Wall Street. You need a number in ounces that will match what you're spending for that basic need. Listen to this. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, check this out. The average American spends between $29,000 and $35,000 a year on essential living costs. So if we're going to put that into this metal, we're putting it into silver, what you're looking at is, again, at a $50 spot price, I have to grab some more of these. At a $50, here's like Engelhart, 100 ounce. At a $50 spot price, you're looking at roughly 1,200 to 1,400 ounces. Now, in front of you, I have, let's see, 8. Let me get these down so you can see it. 9, 10, right? I mean, we're almost at 1,400. And that's the amount of silver, it's backbreaking, that you're going to need to really escape that 9 to 5. Not forever. You won't be retiring, but you will have a serious safety net, a serious nest egg that if anything goes wrong, you could live off this for a solid year. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this challenge. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.